Yo guys, what is going on? It is me, Red Eggs, and I am here with a different kind of video, different kind of hopefully series. I started this journey months ago, right, to make a game engine in Python with Pygame, kind of as a school thing, going about 3 months. It's technically a tower defense game. It started off as a tower defense game, right? It was all good and stuff, you know. In fact, no, that's a lie. It started off as a factorial like game. It was basically I wanted to make a game, right, for school, for my school project. And I was like, oh, what games do I love? I thought factorial, simple concept, 2D grid, automation belts, sprites, simple, right? So I started off this engine with Pygame. Well, not this engine, but it's like backend with Pygame. Like a bit of a scalable system, you know, split everything into files. Object-oriented programming. At this time, I wasn't new to it by any means, but I definitely hadn't used it in a useful way. Like I'd never had to actually apply it. The only times I've used it is for like an inventory, like a virtual inventory system, using Textual, which is a CLI-based GUI. Buzz terms, I know, but it is basically terminal GUI. I had to do an inventory system for that, and that's the only other time I ever had to use objects, because you know you got items and you got the inventory itself, right? But then I got bored of this. Not bored, you know. I did get bored. I have a tendency of getting bored with things. I get burnt out really quickly, right? I'll start a project for like 2 weeks, grind on that, generally non-stop, put like 100 hours in like those 2 weeks. No, I just drop it, and I'll never come back to it. It's kind of what happened here. I was like, right, I can't just be dropping things if this is for school. Like, I need to get this done. And then I was like, right, it wasn't even a simpler concept that I love. Tower defense games, right? Everyone loves tower defense games. You got balloons, you got balloons, and yes, you got balloons, right? And everyone knows balloons. You know, balloons is amazing. It's simple. You get monkeys, pop balloons, boom, you have a game, right? So I started watching this series by Coding with Russ, I think it is, with tower defense, right? And I was like, damn, this is easy. I'm picking this up. And I was going out of pace, right? By the way, I do have a few years coding experience, and it got to a point where I was like, right, this is not good, you know. I'm basically building an engine here. And it got to about Christmas holidays, where I was like, right, I need to do something about it. I'm gonna make an engine, and that's exactly what I did. So I started making an engine with the knowledge that I've gained, where it's gone through like 3 different revamps, and systems are completely different each month. I had a Trello board, a to-do list. I'll actually show you the Trello board now. So yeah, these are all the things I'm yet to add, and then this is everything that I've added in the last update, and that update was last let's see, the last update was not March 7th. No, it was March 7th. So I've taken about a month break, basically, and I've just started to get on that grind coding again. Anyway, I was kind of just waffling then. I'm gonna cut the waffle. If my mic sounds different, that's because I'm recording from in Premiere Pro. I tried speeding the footage up, but it just sounds really stupid. So I'm just gonna cut all the rubbish stuff out and just say what I did. There's like still like 20 minutes left of commentary here, just about the semantics of the engine. I'm just not gonna get into it. Maybe in another video, but not today. Basically, my plans for not this episode, but the next episode coming, which I'm gonna film in like 10 minutes, is to just revamp current systems like the camera in the game to just get that extra performance, and just prepare the engine again for bigger changes, and just making it not messy, because it's super messy at the moment, and generally just cleaning up the engine and getting like my head in the right space, and like what I'm going to add in the engine and what I want. I got my Trello board to guide me to do that, but I need more specific stuff, so I'm gonna get cracking on that, and I'm gonna get back to you in the next episode. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys for staying for 5 minutes. Um, yeah, it's been kind of boring, but even for me, but I think it's kind of important to get some background on the project before I just start making a series on an end like a half baked engine. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys.